Hello Bay and Bay drivers. I'd like to speak with you for a moment about following distance, especially with the upcoming holidays, summer driving and so forth. There'll be a lot of RVs on the road, there'll be boats, campers, people that don't normally drive large vehicles will be on the road. Following distance becomes even more important than it already is. Keep in mind Smith number 1, aim high in steering, get a good survey of the road, look far down the road into your driving future so that you can react to hazards ahead of you. Always be on the lookout for that. Take time to monitor your following distance. That will keep you and the motoring public safe.